Junior, come here, Ojere.
Dad.
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready to go to bed, sir.
You want to go to bed? Oh yeah, kneel down there. Kneel down there, right now. My friend, kneel down, Ojere. Didn't you say you want to do comedian?
Yes, Dad.
And you say you want to do musician too?
I want to become a rapper and also a comedian.
Good. So why are you going to bed at this time of the night? So there is no, in the whole of this entire town, there is no open mic that you can go and crack joke. Look at the news. Hey, this is Dave Chappelle. You don't know Dave Chappelle, the one on Netflix and she that is cracking joke, is making everybody laugh yesterday.
That was Raz. It's not Dave Chappelle. It's Dave Chappelle. Put some swag in it.
My friend, shut up there. What do you mean? It is your mother that is Raz. It is your mother and the people in your mother's village. All of them, they are Raz. Quadratic idiots. The Chappelle is here. He made $60 million by making us laugh for 3 hours. And you want to go to sleep and you want to become a comedian. Look at this. Isn't this your uncle? Your uncle? What do you... Chief Obi, your uncle?
Daddy, Chief Obi is my friend now. How can he be my uncle?
Who told you Chief Obi is your friend? Chief Obi is not your friend. From this day henceforth, Chief Obi is your uncle. The man that is worth $1 million, you are calling your madness must be madding you. Do you have $10? Chief Obi is making $1 million. You are telling Chief Obi, my friend, Chief Obi. How can Chief Obi be your friend? Look, let's say Chief Obi is my father right now. He has more money than us, okay? You just made $1 million and you are here saying you are wasting your destiny away, saying you want to become a musician. Nobody has called you to come and do MC for even wedding. Nobody has called you to come and do comedy show. Even the children that are doing cultural dance, they have not called you to come and MC cultural dance. And you say you want to be a comedian.
No, it's not my fault that they're not calling me now.
Anything you must do, you have to blow. If it's sing, you should sing. If it's comedy, you should comment. Anything. Sing the song, even if it's Fuji. Sing the jazzy.
Nítorí Ọlọ́run ni.
My friend, get up and go and look for open mind to go and crack joke, Ojere. Nonsense. Oshisko.
Baby, now you be my baby, now me be your boo.